This bench that I'm about to put together is going to go right here at the end of my bed. So, a little bit of unboxing, taking out our hardware from these awesome little secret compartments that are zippers. There is a bubble container that has all the hardware. Each of the legs is wrapped in bubble. They are solid wood legs, so I was glad to see that. There is, of course, a user's manual, which I did use. Each of the 4 legs goes on with 2 screws, washers, and an Allen wrench that is all provided. It was super simple, and the grand reveal, she's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It looks perfect right in the spot where I needed a bench, not only for beauty, but so that my sweet pup can jump up on the bed. I look forward to creating the new look for our primary bedroom around the look of this bench. The carved legs and the creamy top that is tufted. It's real tight and very well made. I do love the rivets along the edges, just the little details. And it is really cushy, which is nice. If you're looking for a very well-made bench, I would recommend this one for sure.